Hey guys. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the FabFitFun summer box. This is, I believe, the second time I've done an unboxing video on this channel, but I've never done an unboxing video for FabFitFun, so this is going to be really interesting. Before we get started on this video, let me explain a little bit about what this box is about. So basically this box is a seasonal subscription that you can get for $50, around $50 I think, but it's actually worth $200, so that's pretty cool. And everything in this box is based off beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle. FabFitFun is actually doing a limited time offer where you can get 40% off on your first purchase of the summer box. So with the 40% off and using the code SUN40, you can get a box for $29.99, which is a really good deal. So go get your first purchase of the summer box. And with this seasonal box, you can choose to customize your box and choose whatever you want in your box to come and ship to you, or you can choose surprise me, and surprisingly I chose surprise me. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what's in this box. So now that I explained to you what this box is and what it's about or what's in this box and all these different limited time offers, all the information that you needed, we can finally get started on this video. So let's get right into this video. This is what the summer box looks like of FabFitFun. It's really cute, has like little summery designs, the vibe, you know, it's really cute. And actually I've had to wait almost like a week to film this video because there was a lot of complications with the box not showing up to my house, and so I was like, okay, where's my box? And so I looked through my little emails, you know, the mail, you know, and trying to track my order, and it says something like, check your local post office or something like that. So I go to the post office and my box is there at the post office. So that was a little confusing and complicated, and yeah, but I picked up the box yesterday, and because I was way too excited to see what's in the box, I actually looked in the box myself yesterday. So I kind of already know what's in this box, but I still wanted to do a video about it for you guys to show you and tell you about it, so I'm still gonna do that. So right when you open this cute little summer box, it looks like this. Here's the little FabFitFun cover and the little inside of all the products and goodies and all that good stuff in this box. So here's the little FabFitFun paper that was in the box, and it comes with these little strings right here. Yeah, so the first thing that you get in your box is this little coupon. It says, I'm gifting you $10 off your first FabFitFun box. That's $200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $39.99. So that's really cool and exciting, and you get that in your box. Really cool and exciting. Yeah. Ooh, and you actually get a HelloFresh 50% off coupon as well, so that's really cool. Then it comes with this really cool FabFitFun magazine, so that's really cool. So then you get this really cool towel, and I really like the colors, the brown in this little bluish, sky bluish, light bluish color. It's really cute, and getting a free towel, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this looks interesting. Nice goldy color, kind of. So this is actually an exfoliating foot mask. Exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth, naturally sourced with organic ingredients. tested on us, not animals, made in the USA. I've never tried an exfoliating foot mask before, so if I try this, that would be really cool. I'm gonna open this to check this out. Oh, this looks so cute. Look at this bottle, if you can see that. Oh, by the way, guys, this video was not sponsored, but you know, FabFitFun, if you see this video, sponsor your girl. I don't know. So the directions is use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area and let dry, go to bed and awake with softer feet, rinse after 8 to 12 hours. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like coconut. It smells really good. So if you want to exfoliate your feet, make them softer, more pretty, get your box, summer box now, and you can use this to exfoliate your feet. The next product is Coola, I think it's Coola makeup setting spray. That's pretty cool, actually. I get a I get a new makeup setting spray. I'm actually running out on my other setting spray, so that's actually really cool. This looks really cute. Look at the teal color. Setting spray. So the next product is this Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. So I would say this is for your hair. I'm gonna try some of this right now. Okay, that works. Let's see how this works. I'm just gonna apply it to my hair, you know. Oh wow, look at how much less frizz my hair looks, and it smells really good. Oh my god. I have pretty frizzy hair when it comes to curly hair, so I am really surprised with how this actually looks. I'm in love with this box already. So the next item is this really pretty pink bag, and it says, let me open it so I can read what it says better. If I know how to open this. Why am I struggling? I don't understand why I'm struggling to open a bag. That works. So I got this opened. That's very interesting. I got silicone wine glasses. I guess I'm going to have a little wine tonight. If you want to come join me, then, you know, come join me. This is really pretty. I like the I like the pink bag and how cute it looks. Oh my god. Oh, this is really interesting. This doesn't look like a wine glass unless it's a wine glass, and I've never seen wine glasses like this before. This is really interesting. Never seen a wine glass move like this, look like this, feel like this. And that's the tea. So the next product is these little, I think these little hair tie things. I don't really use these kind, but I'm feeling determined to try them out and see how they work. You have these clear ones, pretty stretchy, and you have these kind of tan nude ones. And the next product is this Grace and Stella Rose Spray. I'm guessing it's hydrating facial spray for your face. I've never had a hydrating facial spray before, but I obviously know what they are. So let me just open this Rosewater Grace and Stella facial spray. Okay, I got it opened. Finally, we're good. We're here. We got it opened. We're good. I love the pink. Look how cute this is for like aesthetically pleasing aesthetic things. It's so cute. So thank you, Grace and Stella. I'm gonna try your product. Okay, I'm gonna try this Grace and Stella Rosewater facial spray. My hair is kind of in the way, but oh well. Oh my god, that feels so nice on my skin. Nice and glowy and hydrated. Oh, look how nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Grace and Stella, you are in my FabFitFun box. Thank you for your beautiful product. This next product is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I don't really have a lot of face masks, nor do I try a lot of face masks, but I can already tell you I'm going to be trying this really cute purple face mask. I'm actually gonna try this on my hand. I'm not really gonna do it on my face on camera because I'm just not gonna do that. That should be good, right? I think that's good. Just gonna, you know, rub it here on my hand and let it sit there for a while. Okay, so the directions say, apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. So I guess it tightens your face. Not really sure what that means or what that does. I'm not a beauty guru in any way, shape, or form. And like I said, I don't really use face masks, so I don't really know what I'm doing or talking about. But it's okay, it's fine, it's fine. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions. Then lightly pat your skin dry. Okay, I can already feel this tightening on my hand. Look at that. Okay, so the very last item in this summer FabFitFun box is this super cute bag. I'm going to open it for you so you can see it better. Look at how cute this bag is. It's so cute. I can just put all of my products in this bag or anything I want in this bag. It's super cute. So I am super happy with the products I got and how everything was so cute and decorative and neatly placed in this box. Everything was super cute and I love it so much. So if you want to go and get yourself a box of your very first purchase of the subscription box, just use the code SUN40 and you can buy your first box for $29.99. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did unboxing this box for you and showing you what's inside. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified when I upload and you can be the first to know. If you want a shout out in my next video, there's 3 very easy steps that you have to follow. Just look in the description and all the rules are down below. The shout out for this video is this YouTube account, Why Don't We. I'm guessing it's like a fan account for Why Don't We. It's not actually the Why Don't We account, so don't get confused. But go subscribe to their YouTube channel, get them to whatever goal that they have for themselves. Yeah, go follow them. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. The links will be down in the description below, so you can go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and whatever else you find me on in this crazy world. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go get your box. And if you do get your box, comment down below or DM me on Instagram and tell me your review. How did you like the box? And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.